This is gonna be great. I am now in Las Vegas and being taken to the Tropicana by a very pleasant woman. What's your name? Mary, thank you so much for being my cab driver today. I've been to Las Vegas many times, but I've made the mistake of never taking the nighttime helicopter tour of the Strip. So this time when I was in Vegas, I made sure to book that and to stay at a hotel I'd never stayed in before. The helicopter ride was so much fun. Two people were celebrating their 40th birthday that day, and one person was from New Jersey and the other one was from Italy. So that was really cool, getting to sing happy birthday to people on the helicopter while hovering over the Strip. You've seen those sci-fi movies where the ship is suddenly exposed to outer space and everything just gets shot out into space. That is what the toilets are like here at the Tropicana. So that's, that's a good thing.